Hey guys, welcome back to Mini Resin Chef, where we are a community of adult collectors and creators of miniatures. I'm your host Resin Bell, and today is our Valentine edition. We have all 4 of the Miniverse Valentines, and we're going to be creating those as well as 2 Miniverse remakes for Valentine's Day. So stay tuned, hit that like button and that subscribe button, and let's get cooking with resin. Okay, so let's get started with these. I am so excited that I finally found these little cute things. I'm trying to collect all of the Miniverse that have the silicone molds. I just love them. I think they're so cool. Let's go ahead and get these opened up and fill our chocolates. I love these. They're so stinking cute. I love that you can just make more and more and more, and there's so many possibilities. So tip on, they give us a nice fine nozzle. I fill this fairly slowly so I don't end up with a bunch of bubbles. Okay, now then, I'm going to put that in the oven and bake. These are ready now. Just go ahead and pop these out. And they are so cute. Oh my goodness. I love them so much. They're so awesome. Okay, let's try to add a little bit of details. Very definitely messy. Okay, cure those. Okay, so while those are curing, I'm going to go ahead and make some pink ones. Here's my pink ones. Pink ones are so cute. Alright, so let's put our chocolates in our thing here. Okay, I love these little chocolates. Look how cute they are. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're so detailed and adorable. I love them so much. Okay, so the reason I made extra is because I want to make a little chocolates case. So I have this little case from the fish ice creams. So I cut a little piece of cardstock and I'm going to place it right there. The perfect height for those little things. And then I think I'm going to take this little thing. This came off of, this had the little prongs at the bottom to put at the top of the dome for the ball, and I think I'm going to glue that right on top so I'll have a little topper. Okay, I'm so excited for these cute little heart-shaped sugar cookies. I cannot even begin to express how much I love these little cookies and the fact that they come on a teeny tiny little cookie sheet. I mean, come on. That is adorable. Wonderfully adorable. Okay, so I just took a few small strips of double stick tape and put those down just to hold my cookies in place while I'm working on them. And I'm going to add this is the same color as the cotton candy syrup, by the way, because I just used some of that to make the chocolates. Okay, so now we're gonna, I've cured these and add some designs. Okay, that's pretty cute. I like that. All right. I don't think I'll do more than that though, because that's a pain in the butt. All right. That's some fiddly work. XO on this one. Alright, so we'll put those back in the oven. Okay, here they are. So one thing I will tell you, I don't recommend you use the little red hearts because they are silicone or rubber or something, and they don't stick to the UV resin. So when I tried to pull them off the thing, they just slid right off and popped off. So don't use those unless you're going to seal over it with some clear resin. That will hold them down and hold them in. But if you're just attaching them to the top, they're pretty much useless. Okay, so here's a little tip for reusing this cute little packaging that the cookies came in. You can just push your polymer clay into that packaging. And create yourself some extra cookies. So you have an unlimited supply of these little heart cookies. And the hardest part is getting it out. So just going to take an X-Acto knife and very gently, not pushing, you don't want to cut through, but you're just going to run it around. And then pull from this side and pull from this side. And you've got your cookie. Just kind of tap those edges and make them clean and pretty again. And you've got your little cookies. Look at that. Now you bake those and you've got more cookies to decorate. Okay, so let's do our little cake here. And I'm not technically a huge fan of the red velvet thing. So I'm just going to do something different, and I don't really care for how those look on top of the cake, so I'm going to just do my own thing, which, you know, hey, everybody, you do your own thing. Let's go ahead and use this cotton candy syrup here. Alright, get our syrup in here, and we'll just run it around. Fun to put one of these cookies in the middle. Just because, why not? Alright, now we're going to use some of these cute sprinkles. And make a big mess all over the place. Alright, now we're going to cure that. Okay, let's go ahead and add on our cute little icing. I do like this icing. I think it's pretty adorable. So we'll just go ahead and put that on. Just use the same old resin here. Don't need a lot, just enough to hold it on. Okay, How cute is that, you guys? I love it. I love it so much. Yeah, that's pretty adorable, if I do say so myself. I love the little cookie in the middle. Okay, let's cure that. Okay, so now we get to do the ultra rare. Woohoo! This is super pretty. I love the little box, and I love the design of the vase. It's so pretty. All right, so there's that. We'll open our little roses here. Pull those out. Now these are going to have to be, they'll have to be trimmed a little bit. Yep, definitely need to be trimmed a little bit. They're a little crazy. Let me pull this tape off. Okay. Oops. All right, let's put some water in this vase. Okay, that's good. Now then, these. No, these are all the same. So if you want them to be moved around a little bit, you have to turn them yourself. I kind of like that. See if we can get them in there that way. It's just like that. We'll put our balloons. Here we go. Okay, so let's make a cute little potion here. I'm going to use this little glass bottle that I have. I'm going to take the cork out, and I'm going to put these sprinkles in. Even though they already have a cute little case, I think it'll be cute to have them in this bottle. I'm going to do my best to put these in without spilling them everywhere. Wish me luck. Okay, a little bit more. Basically takes all of them. Alright, so there's that. And looky here. This little thing right here pops right down in there. Looky there. Now we've got a little potion. And a potion needs a label. So we're going to take this cute little label off of this and put it on the bottle. Okay, there's my little love potion. I love how it turned out. I love these little things. That's a great way to reuse them. Yeah, and this comes right out, so I can actually use this to use my sprinkles, which is kind of fun. So, all right, yeah, there's one of my remakes there. And then the packaging for the cake, you can actually push some Sculpey in there and make you a big cookie, and then you can decorate the cookie. This one's not decorated, but I wanted to show you that that's an option. So yeah, that's fun. Okay guys, I hope you've enjoyed the Valentine special, and I hope you enjoyed the way that I created the miniature creations. Hit that like button and that subscribe button for me if you will, and I hope you have an amazing, wonderful, love-filled Valentine's Day, no matter what type of love that is. Happy, happy Valentine's Day. We'll see you in the next one. Ciao.